Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add subtitles in Filmora application. To add subtitles to your video using Filmora, the first thing to do is to open up the Filmora application. Now go ahead and click on the New Project button. Select a video you would like to generate subtitles on. Once you select the video, click on Import at the bottom right. Now wait for a few seconds and the video we have selected will be imported. After you've done that, click on the text button at the bottom of the screen and select the CC AI Captions option. Once you do that, from the drop-down, select the language that you'd like to create your subtitles on and under Audio Source, click on From Video. Now that you've selected From Video, the audio source will be taken from the video and the subtitles will be generated automatically. Finally, go ahead and click on this Add option in blue. You will be able to generate captions or subtitles to your video. Wait for a few minutes and you have now successfully added subtitles on the video, as you can see it on the screen. So that is how it's easily done. You can now go ahead and export your video like the usual way. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.